Hey guys, in case you don't know who I am, I'm Kelvin. You've probably seen me once or twice on stage. So before I start, did you guys enjoy the essay event last year? Yeah? Hopefully, yeah, right? So I'd like to thank my the members that worked with me this year. They did a wonderful job, and I couldn't have learned so much and had so much fun without them. So thank you. So, simple question. Who's your favorite superhero? Superman. It doesn't have to be a superhero. It can be a Korean drama alien, if that's your superhero. So mine is Batman, because he's the most realistic superhero there is. So Batman did not become Batman in one day. He went through years of kung fu training, like smashing blocks, before he became Batman. He had to learn from nothing to become everything. So last year, when I joined Essay, I joined it with a love and passionate, and I thought that's all I needed. Also, I only had a little bit of experience. I was a Essay president in my old school, and I thought that's all I needed, but I was wrong. That experience helped me a lot, but I still had to learn, almost from zero again, about everything in Essay, and then to work. Jessica did a great job leading Essay, and without her experience from her previous year, the Essay would have never been as good as it is now. So, because of that experience I gained, I am more well prepared than I ever was, and that love and passion I had for Essay did not die, but grew. With those experiences, I thought of new ideas for Essay that had never been tried before. One of such ideas is monthly surveys. So we're only 20 people. We're only 10 people plus the senators. We can only come up with so many ideas. But there's so many of you guys. There's about 150, 60 people. If you guys each give us an idea, we can have so many ideas to work with. And we don't only have to work with the ideas we came up with. So your voice will be heard by us, and we can truly serve you that way. So please vote for me, but not because I'm your friend. Not because I'm older or younger than someone. Not because of my age. Vote for me because of my experience and how I can use them to truly help Essay and improve it. Thank you.